Not everyone is aware that no means no, even between a husband and a wife.
Hindi naman siguro matawag na rape yun kasi mag-asawa yun eh.
Sa mag-asawa kasi para hindi naman kasi mag-asawa nga sila eh.
Para sa akin hindi po kasi mag-asawa po sila eh.
Even a lawmaker showed some surprise when they learned that forcing intercourse upon your spouse qualifies as rape.
So paano mo masasabi yung no is no? Akala mo lang nagpapalambing o mahirap po ma-distinguish kasi minsan ng babae, minsan parang ayaw pero gusto naman. May ganun. Ano po ba yun? Ano po ba ang kawawa naman kami? Ang depensa namin. O kung kami naman halimbawa ang wala sa mood pa, meron ba kaming karapatan magno?
Yung no means no applies to both genders. So pag sinabi ng husband, no, hindi siya pwedeng i-force nung asawa.
The anti-rape law of 1997 states that any man or woman can commit the crime through force, threat, or intimidation, or when the offended party is deprived of reason or otherwise unconscious. But a provision in the law called the Forgiveness Clause states that if the legal spouse is the offender, the penalty can be removed if the offended spouse forgives the offender. During the hearing, Senator Robin Padilla also asked what could be done if a wife continues to refuse requests for intercourse. Attorney Lorna Kapunan, who was invited as a resource person, pointed out that this was now a matter of mutual respect.
Hindi po obligasyon ng isang wife, sabi mo, is to serve the husband. Ngayon wala nang obey ng husband.
Regarding the so-called forgiveness clause, a House bill was filed last year to repeal this to protect rape victims against coerced marriage. But this has yet to be put into law. Other than spousal rape, workplace sexual harassment was also discussed during the hearing. Padilla expressed the need for a law to focus on the so-called power play that happens not just in the entertainment industry, but also other workplaces. The senator says he will monitor how the Philippine Information Agency and Education Department will conduct awareness campaigns.
Kaming mga artista ngayon na nandito, gusto po naming ipaalam po sa inyo na talagang nangyayari po talaga ang sexual harassment sa industriya namin. At marami din po akong nabasa, marami din po akong napag-aralan ng mga kaso na nangyayari din sa ibang mga opisina at minsan sa gobyerno pa. At kadalasan din sa mga paaralan. Agatha Gregorio, Bilyonaryo News Channel.